What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and in today's video we got a brand new Yamaha R9 in here. This thing looks super good. I love the front end on this thing. The wings look super good, and we have got a brand new Sparks titanium full exhaust. This exhaust is super nice, very high quality, and it sounds absolutely insane. So we put this exhaust on, I'm not gonna say by accident, but we had to regroup. So we sold this customer a brand new exhaust system for his R9. Well, that's what you see on here, right? But this is not the first one we sold him. We sold them an Akrapovic exhaust, which we've installed a ton of them on bikes in the past, and we absolutely love them. They perform great, quality is excellent, they sound really good, they perform really good, all the above. Well, except for on an R9. We ordered this exhaust for an R9. I don't have it here to show it to you, but long story short, we fired the bike up and it sounded just like stock. Maybe even a tiny hair quieter. Basically, the full exhaust system that we ordered had a giant like muffler box on it, and then it came out just like this in the back. Long story short, guys, do not buy that exhaust if you want an exhaust that sounds like an exhaust. It was a terrible mistake on our part. We ended up taking it off for the customer, eating the price of it to make the guy happy, because of course when he came to us he said, man, I want an exhaust, it sounds good. We're like, what's out there? Akrapovic, it's a real nice exhaust, performs great. Long story short, sold it to him. The exhaust sounded like crap. We knew the guy wasn't going to be happy with it, so we made it right. Got him the Sparks exhaust. This thing sounds insane. We're about to fire it up now, and then we're gonna dyno it, get all the restrictions out of this ECU and make some more power. But let me know about what you think on the way this thing sounds. This thing screams. Boys, this Friday, have you heard? You can get a ZX10 2023 model on MooreMafia.com for $10. Go to MooreMafia.com. There's limited spots gonna be available. All the details will be posted this Friday. Friday before Father's Day. This Friday coming up, somebody is gonna have the opportunity to win this 2023 ZX10R fully stretched out, lowered core moto wheels, Two Brothers exhaust, Moore Mafia ECU Flashed, the whole 9 yards for 10 bucks. Go to MooreMafia.com and be ready. Limited spots available. It might last 2 hours, it might last 2 days, it might last 2 weeks. But when it's full, boys, and somebody's gonna win. Baseline pull coming up. Let's see what we got with the new Sparks exhaust, stock ECU still. can see, we got 111 horsepower, but look at how ugly our power curve is. Up, straight down, and then completely shuts off. So 111, 66 foot-pounds of torque. I did notice that the bike was super lean, meaning not getting enough fuel. We're gonna fix all that here in just a second. Wait till you see this exhaust change colors too. This titanium headers are gonna look really nice here in a few minutes as we put more heat through them. This Magic Mike is working on the tune over there. We're gonna just get a sample of the way this exhaust sounds. It sounds incredible. Power is getting way better. Everything, throttle response, way smoother as well. Look at the titanium on the exhaust too. Here we go, guys. The R9 is dialed in. Check out the gains now that we finished all the tuning. Guys, big gains on this R9. This is pretty much how it should have came from the factory. You know, with the stock exhaust, you can't even hear this thing running. This Sparks exhaust absolutely screams. We started at 111.33, we finished up 118.46. We went from 66 foot-pounds of torque to 70. But take a look here. Let's get over here to where we can use our mouse. At 10,000 RPMs, before we were at 99 horsepower, now we're at 117. So night and day differences, and on top of that, it's gonna ride much smoother as well. We've taken care of the D-cell fuel cut, so now when you let off the throttle, the fuel injectors don't cut off, the bike doesn't die, the engine braking is way less. On top of that, that pesky second gear problem, yep, where you feel it like, dude, this thing has so many gremlins in it, and we got other videos that talk more in depth and in detail about that. This video was more or less highlighting this Spark exhaust, showing it off a little bit, and I wanted to know your comments on what you think about the sound is, but overall quality of this thing, I think it looks really nice. Hit us up, mooremafia.com, if you want to get yourself a Spark exhaust, or if you want to get an ECU Flash for your MT-09, R9, whatever you got, we do all these things. Hit us up, mooremafia.com. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Shout out Magic Mike. He's been working this thing, the buttons on this bike for quite some time in this video. We appreciate all the hard work. A lot of stuff goes into the tuning on these bikes, and there's some behind the scene details that we don't always show you, but they're there, boys. Don't worry. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button. We'll see you next time.